Welcome to the Phoenix Feed. I'm Micah.
And I'm Jonesy. This week is College Week. There are several events happening for it.
On Tuesday and Thursday, we were wearing college shirts and sweatshirts with dress code pants. No hats or sweatpants, please.
There will be an assemblies for the junior high on Monday, Tuesday, and Friday.
The junior high is volunteering at St. Andrew's Food Pantry starting this Thursday from 4:45 to 7 p.m. This week is being volunteered by Mr. Brooks and his volleyball team.
ELA is hosting a choir festival. Good luck with Miss Kugler.
Now, over to reporters.
Congratulations to this week's Phoenix on Fire winners, Ellie Brooks, Cambry Curtis, Eliza Folks, Mia Drake, and Scarlett Simpson.
Hi, I'm Summer, and this is Minute to Win game. Whoever gets the balls in here wins. Let's do this!
Let's do it. Ready? Go.
Oh!
Yes! I am losing hardcore. I'm so good at this.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, oh my gosh, 5, 4, 3,
Oh my gosh, I'm terrible.
2, 1.
Yeah, you totally wiped me.
Alright.
Okay,
Hi, my name is Abby, and I'm here with our elementary spelling bee winners. Do you guys want to tell us your name and your grade?
I'm Zoe, and I'm in third grade.
I am Robert Shirashevsky, and I am in third grade. Yes. I go to fifth grade from now.
Awesome. And so, can you guys tell me what the hardest word you had to spell was?
The one I lost on was pretty hard, cause there were a lot of letters that you could have spelled it with. So tuxedo was really hard.
Oh, I'm sorry. I bet you did great.
So in the school-wide spelling bee before the redo, I don't even remember what the hardest word was because it was there, and there were a lot of words, and some of them were pretty hard. So I don't really remember I can't really think of the hardest one out of all of them. But there were some hard ones.
Okay, you guys did great. And unfortunately, Edmund Owens isn't here. He was the second place winner, I believe. And awesome, thank you guys. Now back to the newsroom.
Thanks, guys.
Now over to Sports Center.
Welcome to the Sports Center. I'm Dan.
And I'm Manasseh. Boys volleyball has their first game this Wednesday at Lincoln High. Good luck.
Girls soccer has their first game next Monday at Lincoln. Good luck.
Now back to the newsroom.
Thanks.
Now for Cooking with Kevin. Thanks.
That's all the announcements.
Thanks for watching. Bye.